Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average for this week's trade. So we're going to look at some FX pairs as well. But you can see here, I'm actually looking at these charts here in real time, and you can see it ticking away. This is the Dow Jones on the 4-hour time frame. Now, you can see that if we start to break this support area here, then we'll make a lower low. Now we need to close below there. The close is important. If we close with a low below 34,200, then we could then get down to 34,110, and then 33,820 is the next major support area for this. Now, of course, a downtrend is lower lows and lower highs, and now we need to see whether these lower highs are going to be met now with a lower low. I think they will be. Now, if you look at the daily chart on the Dow Jones, you can see our red pro trading system has turned red already yesterday, and now we're sort of starting to push lower. Now, we've got some key areas here that we need to look at. We've got a trend line. In fact, we're virtually through that trend line. If we can close through it again today, that'll be really good. And then we got projected targets of 38,869 and 33,144, which is going to be an interesting area. All right, so watching the Dow, stop just above this area here, 34,590. We'll see how it closes. By the time you watch this video, things may well have changed. Looking at the euro versus the Australian dollar, looking at this market, we're starting to consolidate. Now we're starting to break a little bit. So we came up to a major 200 EMA. We've consolidated here. Now we're getting a buy signal. We could bust above this area and see targets of 15,890 and this 160.63 in this market. Also, the market that I still continue to watch is the pound New Zealand dollar. Now we're getting a bit of a break today. Let's see if we can get this thing pushing much higher. What's so exciting about this market is that the monthly charts, we've got a white pro trading system. That basically means slow, sloppy markets. But if we come out of the color white and go into green, then we're going to get an explosive move. So we're still watching this, and this is really early for you guys. We may get this move happening today, Tuesday, and we may get a push higher, maybe Wednesday, which will give you a bit of time to look at that. And also Euro New Zealand as well. I'm still liking this market as we break out of a sideways consolidation. We just need to get through a little bit of weekly support. All right, so they're the markets for this week. Dow, I'm interested in watching, see if that has a bit of a drop. And then these New Zealand pairs and Aussie pairs against the Euro and the Great British Pound is of interest. Speak to you soon, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we're always looking to grow the channel, make it even better than what it is. Okay, speak to you soon. Take care.